everyone, welcome back to this channel, and in this video I would like to show you the way how you can create an aesthetic photo with a background blur on it. So you just need to use the PicsArt application. So please open the application on your phone and you just need to tap into this plus button over here to create a new project and go click the see all and find the picture that you want to edit. So after you got it, you just need to tap it. The next is you just need to take a look on this button feature right here, and then you just need to type into effects. Just tap on effects, and now please go into this blur section. Now you just need to pick the blur effects that you want to get. It could be a normal blur or a facial blur, or you can also got this radial blur, but today I want to only use this normal blur. The next is just go take a look on the top side, tap into this icon, and then just go tap person so that you will got this. Now since we want to get the blur on the background, you just need to tap in the invert. Now the background is already blurred, just go tap into this checklist button and download this picture to get it on your photo library. Simple and easy. Hopefully you understand. Please type anything on the comments if you want for other tutorial, and don't forget to turn on the notification button so that you will not gonna miss for upcoming tutorial. Thank you for watching, and let's meet again into other video.